Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Gracie. Now, Gracie is speaking about, how when majority of people are doing stuff, it doesn't always make it right, and so she wants to be when she's at a certain age, when she gets older, she doesn't want to have a sad soul, so she wants to move on away from the social media conflicts and all the arguments and stuff that's going on that's surrounding social media. So go ahead and check out the video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
So them curse, me not go there with them. I will not be going there with them, okay? Yeah, man. Me I stay in my corner, I'm laying here, so. Me I try come out of this and mix up something, yeah? And find other content and give this to them. And as soon as Gracie find other content, you're going to see them over there now. Yes. Because them definitely is a bad-minded set. As soon as Gracie she find new content, you're going to see them over there. So nationals, me can't bother. Sometimes you have to just let go things. Sometimes you have to let go things, nationals. Let it go. You know, at times, you're going to always have devils and demons. And they're going to always try to rise up against you. But me remember this. Not because majority supports something, it doesn't make it right. So right now, I don't want to read certain age like them and still upon social media fight and of course I don't want that. I don't want that. I want to read certain shit, I'm not commenting. I'm not a miserable soul like them. Yes. So no matter who call my name right now, I just don't want to hear. Please don't send it, come give me. Because people are going to always talk. Because at the end of the day, you got here say Gracie did use a certain person name for rise. But any nation has who they pay a long time, someone we can attest and say that's not true. Because Gracie was always a person who stand up for people when injustice, not just for she. Not just for them, the people, for she alone. For anybody at all, I see something on the right, I go talk on it. And that is why when time certain things are not going over there, I stood up and I never care who's going to come after me and whatever. I stood out and I bring out who to bring out and whatever. Because I just never like injustice. And not no more. Never not no more. Not more. People just see me and just say, alright, I like the girl, I should bring out the people. And that was it. I never used somebody's name to build myself. I'm telling you already, so when we start talking about whoever I say me use them name to build myself, my name was already out there. People did already know Gracie. My face did already have a pink wall already. Where them pay for go, me got it free. Where them pay for go, me got it free. Big up to Siloni. Although she have her days them. So my name did out there already before me start talk about certain things. Before me start blog on certain things, my name was out there already. People didn't know Gracie long time. People didn't know me long time. So I don't use nobody's name to build myself. I only establish a little more front on it. Nothing more. More than Gracie does have a blogging style. Gracie does come with facts and evidence. All of we that you that use the same name there. All of we that talk about the same name there. All of we that blog and not call the same name there. Somehow we never reach nowhere. Since Gracie use it for reach there, why we never use it for reach there? Because we don't have no skill and we don't have no talent. We was just blogging about what Gracie say. And that was it. So I want to sound bad mind now and covetous and jealous. Because all of we that call the same name. So what if Gracie make it out tight and we don't make it out tight? All of we that call the same name. The same smarty call all of we name pan her life. She never treat Gracie less better than how she treat the rest of you know. She never give me no special treatment because I never special to her. She call the whole of we name pan her life. So what happen if Gracie gain from it and we don't gain from it? She call all of we name pan her life. She never just call Gracie name alone. When that lady a big up my body, she never big up me by myself yet. She always big me up in a crowd. So she call up everybody named pan it. So me never get no special treatment from what the mother and now no pan ya. And funny things is that if me the bad mind, she wouldn't know no neither. Because when me start share you out, somehow me see she start calling the name. And when me start share out somehow, no, me say it again, me see she start calling the name. And if the bad mind would have put on the circle for she soon. No. That's not a bad mind person. If I was a bad mind person, she wouldn't have known, you know. How we talk truth. How we talk truth. Because someone have things in their heart and afraid for talk it. But Gracie is a person like this. If anything me have in my heart, if me want to say it, me go say it. I when me know no for our followers them over here, me now worship her like God same way. Me go talk and if they want unfollow them, unfollow, and that is why enough for them unfollow and God. I'm in a business. I don't care. Me look like me care. If me dey care, me do it again. Me not be a hypocrite like you know. And I laugh. I don't blame her. She have the right and deep in her heart you don't like what woman do. And deep in her heart you don't like what woman say. But because you know want to spare the followers them feelings what she have, and you want them to follow you and support you, you play a big hypocrite role. Grace you know stay so. And when followers are go vex, me not care. You know, see some me go house, me tell me look in her face and tell her that she no God. And she said, yes, me no God. Me not care. I just